Hello everyone, it's me Khurram for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can cover your damage hair. Guys, if you are having the problem of the damage hair, then this video could be helpful for you. So guys, I'm gonna let you know what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to show you a mask or the solution that you can make at your home and you can apply on your hairs. So I'm going to divide this video in three parts. The first part will be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part it will be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and the third part it will be related to the process. In a process, I will let you know how to make it and how to apply on your hairs. Right now we are going to our video, and first part I will let you know what the benefits of the ingredients we are having for our hairs. So let's start. Excessive styling, chemical products, and the environmental pollution can take a toll on your delicate mane. Applying egg to your hairs helps give your hairs fertilized protein foods. Adding banana helps in softening the hairs and being rich in potassium, vitamins, and folate. It also promotes hair growth. Milk, on the other hand, contains a lactic acid that cleanses your hairs by removing the dead cells, which can turn your hairs dull and lifeless. That was some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to the second part of the video where I will share with you the quantity of the ingredients. So guys, now I'm going to let you know about the ingredients with quantity. So for the solution we have needed three ingredients. Number one we need egg, and number two we need the banana, and number three we need the milk. So guys, now we talk about the quantity. For the egg we need two. In a quantity we were talking about the egg whites only. And for our second ingredient, banana, we need one banana, and for the third ingredient, milk, we need 1 cup. So right now the ingredients and the quantity has been done. Now we are going to the third and the final part of the video where I'll let you know how you can make it and how to apply on your hair. Start. This is 3-step method, and the step 1 is mash a ripe banana and milk. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do. Number 1, thoroughly mash a ripe banana in a bowl using a fork. Number 2, add 1 cup of the milk to the mashed banana and mix well. So guys, that was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is add the egg white and then blend all the ingredients. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step. Pour in the egg white and to give the final whisk using a hand blender. You can also use the tablespoon of your hair oil up to your choice if your hair is extra frizzy or too brittle. So guys, that was our step 2. Now we are going to our step 3. Our step 3 is store the mask in a weighted container and use. So now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this last step. Number 1, shift the egg and the banana mask to an airtight container for future use. Number 2, apply the mask to your hairs using a hair wash. Number 3, let it stay in for 30 minutes, then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Number 4, store the remaining mask in your refrigerator. That was very simple and the easy procedure to make this solution at your home for the recovery of your damaged hair. So guys, for the better result, I would suggest you may use this mask twice a week. So guys, that was the solution for today. Next time I'll come with some other interesting and helpful solutions for your hairs or skin. So till that time, take care.